Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we're looking at the Year 6 lesson about how to convert any percentage to a fraction or a decimal. Resources. You will need nothing more than this video. Mental learning objective. Expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa. Expressing simple fractions as decimals and vice versa. Mental learning task. Today we're going to convert percentages into decimals and fractions. Can you put these into order of size? Have a try, but don't worry, we're going to be looking more about how to do it in a moment. Have a guess where they might go. Pause the video and have a quick try. Start with the smallest. Why do you think that? Pause the video and tell me which is the smallest. Pause the video. Which fractions are more than half? Which are less than half? Pause the video and work out these answers. It's quite hard to compare some of these fractions. Write the percentage equivalents of any you know below the fraction. Is it now easier to put these fractions into order? Pause the video and have a try. A fraction can be turned into a percentage, which is a number out of 100, by converting it into equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. So let's do that now. All these fractions can easily be turned into percentages, as they have all easily found equivalents with a denominator 100. Can you now turn all these fractions into something over 100? Pause the video and give me the answer. Can you now write these fractions as a percentage? Pause the video and give me the answer. Convert them to decimals as another way of comparing them. Pause the video and give me the answer. Remember that the fraction 3/4 means 3 divided by 4. Divide the other fractions into decimal equivalents. Are the fractions now easier to order? Mental learning objective. Expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa. Expressing simple fractions as decimals and vice versa. Main learning objective. Continue learning objectives from the mental math section. Expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa. Expressing simple fractions as decimals and vice versa. Today's big idea of the day is to turn a percentage to a fraction, write it as a fraction with a denominator of 100. Main learning task. You are now going to be given several percentages which you have to turn into both fractions and decimals. Copy and complete this table. Pause the video and complete the task. Challenge. Get pupils to make more similar examples for a friend to work out. Main learning objective. Continue learning objectives from the mental math section. Expressing simple fractions or decimals as percentages and vice versa. Expressing simple fractions as decimals and vice versa. Plenary. Discuss how they completed the task. Which ones were easy? Why were they easy? Pause the video and discuss. Remember, in order to turn a percentage into a fraction, you must write it as a fraction with 100 in the denominator. How did you do this with writing the fraction in their lowest terms? Pause the video and discuss. Did you use division by 100 to turn the percentages into a decimal? Pause and discuss. Review of a key idea. To turn a percentage to a fraction, write it as a fraction with a denominator of 100. Did you learn this today? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye.